Everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And today I have a very special message for all you folks who land up on this video, who watch this message, because this is a very powerful message, especially because it's on Gupt Navaratri, right? Today, I think is the third or fourth day of, third, I think, of Gupt Navaratri. And um, I have been working with Das Mahavidyas as well, and the energy is so powerful, and the blessings of Ma in this form can actually help you come out of a lot of difficult situations in life. All right. So today, a specific message is from Ma Matangi. Okay, a lot of people also call her the tantric version of Ma Saraswati, but the thing is that Ma Matangi has a very different energy, okay, in terms of how she blesses you. She actually is somebody who gives you that Vak Shakti. Okay. So a lot of healers and a lot of folks, they pray to her so that, whatever they predict or all of that, it becomes very accurate, okay, with her blessings. Now, the message that I'm getting, and I don't know how many of you know, but she's also known as the Uchishta goddess, right? She comes from, and what is Uchishta? The meaning is basically um, something that, like the food that is already touched, used, or discarded, right? So she kind of comes from that. That's the word Uchishta, all right? So, and you know how generally we don't consider that pure and all of that, right? However, she actually comes from that. So she like reigns in that, right? That impurity, whatever you call impure. So the message for you today is that Ma Matangi wants to bless you, right? And she wants to give you that power, okay, for you to overcome whatever issues you're going through. It could be your finances, it could be your overall life, confidence, relationships, your health, whatever it is. And she is saying that number one, what is your uchishta? Meaning, what is it? What part of you have you discarded, or what part of you are you not willing to look at? So it could be a deep secret, right? It could be something that you're ashamed of. It could be something that you feel people will not accept, right? And so you're going to just hide it. So any of the things that you're hiding, that you're ashamed of, that you feel, you know, you cannot share with folks, right? You cannot bring to the light. She is actually telling you that your true, real, raw power lies in that uchishta. Bring it to the surface. Shine a light on it, right? And when you do that, because what is happening is that her energy is so strong, it's saying that you, a lot of your pure raw power, that ability of yours, right, is actually being tarnished or being wasted because of all the things that you are hiding. You get it? Sometimes our true power lies in, I can give you an example that's coming up, like if you are really, really good at, say, sculpting, right? And, you have a lot of pressure on you to be a certain way, and, you are probably now a lawyer. Yeah, because the whole family has forced you, or whatever. That you also thought that sculpting, I don't think I can be a sculptor. She is actually saying that but that energy of creation, of sculpting, of creating those different pieces, that's really raw in you. That's like your natural power, and you've been subduing it, right, all your life. Okay, now it's time for you to go back and work on it. stop ignoring that power, right? Now, whether or not you do that as, something which will bring you income, that's up to you. But the thing is, it might open up, it might just so become so big that whatever you're doing, you might not have to do it with a broken heart, or with, that energy of, where am I stuck, right? So this is specifically for those folks who listen to this video. It's for you. Your power lies in your uchishta. And I know for everyone, it's going to be different. Like when this download came to me, for me, it was more about visibility, right? Because I grew up with an alcoholic father, and I've been very, like in most of my videos, I've started talking about it. And for me, there was a whale of shame, right? And that I didn't even realize for the longest time that had a visibility block for me, right? Specifically for my business, right? And it's only been a few years that I've actually been able to come, and talk about it. I've been able to face my own, shadow, and then also be able to work on it. So for me, my uchishta was hiding, right? Shame. And of course, a lot of other things. But for me, it would be then, if that's my Uchishta, then for me to show up, for me to actually be visible, for me to tell my story, right? Or for me to let go of that shame, right? In whatever form. So that was my Uchishta, one of my Uchishtas, right? Many people can have many forms of Uchishta, right? So what is it that is yours? What is your story that that you're ashamed of, that you're hiding from, right? And how can you give it life? How can you take your power from it, right? And if you sit and you think about it, you will get the answers, because Ma Matangi is literally blessing you with that beautiful raw power for you to speak up, for you to uh, uh, have the true power in your throat chakra, for you to voice what is yours, right? For you to speak up for yourself. This is the time for you to do that. Yeah. And it's a very beautiful energy. We are in Gupta Navratras, and Mars energy is so strong. She's protecting you. She is pushing you forward. She is blessing you, and she wants you to take that position in your life of, being the hero or heroine, right? She doesn't want you to just hide somewhere. She doesn't want you to take a back seat, she doesn't want you to play small. She's telling you that this is your time to shine. And nothing, what do we say? We say that, maybe your past, because of your past you can't grow, right? Or people say that because, your father was like this, you can't do this. Because your mom was like this, you can't do this. Because you lived there, you can't do this. She is saying all the reasons that you think you are destined to fail, write them down. And she's saying those are the reasons that you will be successful, because your uchishta, your um, you know, scum, so to say, is what can transform into gold for you. So I actually urge you today to write down. It's literally saying that write down everything you think is the reason why you will fail. You're fat, you don't look a certain way, your color, the way you talk, where you live, your hair, the clothes you wear, the clothes you don't have, the money you have, money that you don't have, everything you think is a blocker for you to become big, for you to grow, for you to be successful. Write that down, right? I'm sure everybody will have a few reasons, right? And Ma Matangi is saying those are the reasons that you will be successful. Yeah. So I hope that you were able to understand this message. And even if you didn't quite get it, it'll energetically align with you, whoever, listens to this message, because she is blessing you. She loves you, and she's going to remove all obstacles for you to be successful, specifically for all the things that you think are stopping you. Yeah. Beautiful. So I'll see you all tomorrow with another message. Till then, signing off, Anisha Dutt from Zaria Healing.